mabilis talaga siyang maubos. Guys, I am really sorry. Puno na pala siya. Kaya, ngayon ko lang nalaman, grabe ang bilis nun. Sabi ko sa inyo guys, pagka nag-post ako ng like something, medyo bilisan nyo kasi ang bilis niyang mapuno. Hindi siya for marketing, hindi siya for sales, hindi siya budol. When I say, mag-sign up na kayo now na, mag-sign up na kayo because mabilis talaga siyang maubos. Same thing with all of our classes. Ganan yung ganap niya. I'm not sure if you guys noticed, pero tuwing magpo-post ako, lagi siyang ubos ng ubos. Hindi ko alam kung ano meron sa inyo. Bakit gigil kayo? Eto pa, isa pang nag-close. Yung para po sa 20, yes, close na siya. Eto po yung mga sponsors namin. Meron pang napapadagdag dyan. Eto yung current speakers for the Manila Leg Part 1. Hopefully, we can create something na Manila Leg din Part 2. Ay, wait, teka lang. Eto, pampainit to ha. Para sa, meron bang taga-Bacolod dyan? Because, wait. Eto again, sinasabi ko sa inyo, hindi po ito budol. When we say limited spots, Bacolod. Handa ka na ba? So, we're at the planning stage na ng Bacolod Leg, ng freelancing plus content creation workshop. And, limited spots po siya. And guys, just a heads up, we're trying to extend yung number of heads, yung capacity, as much as we can. But, I'm telling you as early as now, if taga-Bacolod ka, if you wanna be a freelancer, you're an aspiring freelancer, if halimbawa gusto mo maging social media manager, or gusto mo maging graphics designer, or if you want to learn how to be a copywriter with no writing experience. Yeah, mga ano pa lang to ha, pampainit pa lang. Halimbawa, if ikaw ay UGC, you really want to be an influencer, if you're a content creator or an aspiring one, I highly recommend you check this out because this event is for you. And we're only doing this one time sa Bacolod kasi isang beses lang makukumpleto ang personal learning network sa area ninyo. So, i-grab nyo na tong opportunity na to. Hindi ko na naman alam kung paano hindi ko alam kung paano i-explain. But guys, when I say limited spots lang po talaga siya. If you guys want to join the Bacolod Leg for our freelancing plus content creation workshop along with the personal learning network, here's how to join. First stop, just click the link in my bio. Pag hindi kayo magkaigi dyan, punta lang sa Facebook or i-copy and paste nyo ito sa Chrome. Guys, sinasabi ko sa inyo, huwag kayo magpatagal-tagal. Kung taga Bacolod ka, this is for you. And this is just a one-time event sa Bacolod. I-click nyo lang BCD Freelancing plus Content Creation Workshop. Ito yung ganap. Actually, madadagdagan pa yan. But, ang ambaga natin bilang mamamasahe kami ng eroplano ay 999 pesos na sa Bacolod. Nandyan ang lahat. Pag-click nyo, bayad lang, tapos send form, tapos yun na. Again, if you guys are from Bacolod, gawin nyo yun. Kung kayo naman ay wala sa Bacolod, like Cebu, Manila, Quezon Province, what else? Cagayan de Oro. Andito ang lahat. I-check nyo lang, nasa waitlist naman ito. So, i-click nyo lang, instead of clicking yung, i-click ninyo is yung waitlist. Nasa baba siya ng BCD. Again, this is a fair warning. Tama ba yung term ko? Warning lang, fair warning to everyone. Napakabilis pong maubusan ng spots. And we want this to be, this is an interactive workshop. Hindi siya yung puro keynote speakers, tapos share lang kami ganyan. No. Lahat tayo gagalaw. Lahat tayo matututo. And that is the main reason why we're partnering with different companies is because lahat kayo lalabas sa workshop na meron na kayong panlagay ng portfolio ninyo. Again, if you are an aspiring freelancer, UGC, content creators, if you're planning on doing social media management and marketing, yan, yung mga yan. If you want to be an influencer, gusto nyong matuto lang kung paano mag-build ng brand online, this is the perfect event for you. And this is the only time na kumpleto ang personal learning network. So, if you guys want to join us, if you're from Bacolod, mag-sign up na kayo as early as now. Ang ganap nga pala dito, this is going to be TBD pa yung mismong location, syempre, for the surprise. Pero, I hope I'm pronouncing this correctly. Alihis or Aligis, Bacolod, yung mismong location. And ang sure na is merong training for Reva, SEO, SMM, Legal, Executive Virtual Assistance, Community Building, Effective Copywriting for Non-Writers, and Graphics Designing, and more. Surprise na lang yung iba. Guys, mag-join na kayo because when I say mabilis maubos yung spots,